Yo, what is up? It's your boy Young Boy, and I'm back with another video on his channel. This is a cooking video actually this time, so you got to get to see my face. So basically today we're going to be making brownies. I thought I'd do something easy for this first cooking video. So yeah, so this is probably the easiest recipe anybody can do. All you need is these ingredients: eggs, butter, sugar, chocolate chips, cocoa powder, salt, oil, flour, and vanilla extract. Okay, I got my sugar and butter mixed in, as you can see. There. So that's what you want to do. So after you mix your butter and the sugar, you want to add 2 of your eggs, but you want to do it one at a time. So, for instance, that's one. Make sure you don't get the shell in there. And just mix it in. Boom. Then what you want to do, well, actually what I like to do when we're doing a one at a time egg type style is I like to go and actually put the vanilla in there and put the oil in there before I add the second egg, just to get those out of the way. And now we're gonna mix our final egg, as you can see. And there we go. Try not to get any shells in there. Boom. Now, next is the dry ingredients, which is our salt, flour, and cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of cocoa powder and half a cup of flour, and about a teaspoon of sugar. Same thing with vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and also a tablespoon of oil, and 1 cup and 1/8 of sugar. So the way I like to do it is usually I would get a whisk. I mean, not a whisk, a sifter, and just sift it in. But you don't have to. It'll still work the same way. I've done it multiple times before, so I just add it in there like this. Come on. There. And add the flour. Then we add our salt. And we just mix it in. And as you can see, it's already making that nice brownie color. Just mix it in. Gold. I think brownies probably the second favorite dessert next to cookies. But on the making scale, they're definitely my favorite thing to make. It's very easy, especially if you have, these ingredients right here, which I'm sure, everyone has these ingredients. And a lot of these recipes that I'm gonna be doing for the next couple of months with these videos, a lot of these ingredients are, a lot of these ingredients have ingredients that you can get from the grocery store. That's not that cheap. I mean, excuse me, that's cheap and not that expensive. Very easy things to do, and things that you actually don't need. The machines that you see in restaurants or other people YouTube that's done, those things that you don't actually need. For instance, I'm just using a bowl and a whisk. I'm not using my mixer because I don't need to. So yeah, got that in. to fold in these chocolate chips. You can use as much chocolate chips as you want. I usually use about a cup. I like to add chocolate chip in there because it's just more chocolate in there, and because it's because the recipe is very fudgy, it's definitely gonna make these chocolate chips taste so much better when they melt it. So yeah. So boom, there we go. We got the chocolate and the double angles. Boom. Okay, so I want to give you guys a real quick tip if you guys have any of these utensils in your house. I learned this from both my job and from culinary school. So what you'll need is the pan to put your brownies in, some parchment paper. It's highly used in baking for cookies or for putting dipped strawberries on, and for muffins and stuff like that. And you're gonna need the spray. I like to use this spray. It's very good for me. I just like the professional type stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Basically what we do, shake the bottle up, and we're basically going to put a couple of dots. And the reason why is because you want this to stick to here. So now that we're at this part, what we want to do is we want to cut to make it to fit this size. The reason for it is so that it can fit, and so that once the brownie is done, we can easily just lift it up, put it on a cutting board, and cut it up. So we're going to do that. And boom, just like that, we have our pan. So while that's in the oven, I decided to do some pour mode. Basically, if you've been on this channel, you already see that there's at least one. There should be two, but at least one video of a podcast. Basically, it's my solo podcast that I'm doing called What's Cooking. It's basically where I talk about everything, put some food topping in there, and just have fun and have a blast with it. Right now, today, I'm recording episode 3, but episode 2 should be coming either today or it should be coming on the same day that this video will be dropping. So expect for episode 2 to come through. Right now I'm getting everything ready for episode 3. So yeah, those are my podcasts. You can find those podcasts on Apple Podcasts, What's Cooking, and also you can go on Spotify, go What's Cooking, And you can also do Anchor, the app that's on iOS and Android, or you can just go to anchor.fm /what's cooking. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment the video. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know what I can improve on. I like feedback like that. So yeah, that's all the promo I got right now. Follow me on Instagram, Youngboy Cooking, or Deshaun Delights. So yeah, that's pretty much all the promo I got. So yeah, do whatever you want. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing this hat, pretty much is because I want hair in it, and also this. Yeah, we're keeping a plus ultra on for a couple of videos. So yeah. And here is the final product. Look at that. Scrumptious. Beautiful.